Okay guys, I just want to show you how I create my weekly planner, and I've already created previous shells. So this is last week's planner. I go to pages, then we view all pages, and then I sort it to bring up the past week's weekly page. And then I'm just going to duplicate this. Now, of course, you could create all these shell pages ahead of time, or you can just do it as you go throughout the year, like I'm showing you here. We're going to edit, we're going to change the week, the date, it's going to be the 23rd through the 27th, and then delete the word copy, and then change everything here as well. Since last week was C, it's going to be an A week, 23rd through the 27th. And then I'm going to delete all of this content and type in this week's lesson. So we have just filling in all what we're doing each day. I like this weekly page because when we do forecasting, students just open this up and they can see exactly what they are doing for the week. Okay, so now we have all of what we're doing each day. I did decide to add a second row because I teach different courses to let everybody know what my focus is for that week. So forecasting each Monday, and then change this. I happen to be at some meetings this week, so unfortunately, I'm not gonna have any. So again, this lets everybody know if they can come to LST or not, or what the focus is, and then study hall, walk and talk. The next thing is, as you know, these always stay the same. These are just linked to different pages. And that just stays as is. And again, this is going to be in a week. And here are all the weekly schedules. So I just leave all three up and I just have to change A, B, and C instead of uploading the specific one. And then I save and publish. And then the next step is I make all of my pages for each day. So I'm going to do last edited. So I typically have some information that needs to roll over to the next day. So I go to last Friday and I duplicate this page. And then just like the front page, the weekly planner, I go and edit this. Okay, so we're going to edit this. This is going to be Monday's page. I just change the day and the date, take out the word copy. I like to use a different emoji. So in my toolbar, I just find a new one. And this is easy to simply copy and paste. I like to scale it back just a little bit. And then I am going to change what we did on Monday. So I will still have a bell ringer, but I will upload my new one. And here in this button, we can upload a document straight from my computer. go to the right folder. This is Advanced, Unit 5, and bell ringers. And we have already made one for the 23rd. So I do not upload all of my files like I used to on It's Learning in folders, since Canvas is a bit different with their folder features. So I just upload directly from whatever drive I have. I want to take out this resource and put in what we are doing Monday. And again, I'm just going to upload from my drive and upload a document, the handout that we're going to do, and then the answer key. So I like to get every resource that my kids will be using that day. They don't necessarily have to go to Canvas to access these things, but if they are absent, this is how I always think whenever I'm creating a daily page for a student. I'm like, if a student was absent, they could see exactly what we did. And then the next Thursday for my due date, I just check here, is going to be February the 2nd. And this video is still the same video from what they would have needed on Friday. So I'll leave that. That's why I like to just copy and paste the previous page. This data is all the same, my upcoming dates. And then I simply just click Save and Publish. So that is Monday's page. And then I go back to View All Pages. I click Last Edit. And now I'm going to do Tuesday's page, but I'm going to duplicate Monday because again, I may need some of the resources from Monday on to Tuesday. And so again, I will go through and I'll edit this page, changing the day and the date, change my Bitmoji, and put in the appropriate resources for Tuesday. And then I'll do Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, now that I have all of my pages made for each week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I edit the weekly page. And this is one part that I love about Canvas. So I'm just going to highlight Monday's lesson, and then I'm going to go to insert a course link. And then you can simply search, and these are pages. So I'm just going to type in Monday or start typing Monday, and right there, and I just click that. And then I do the same thing for Tuesday. This window to the right remains open. So I click Tuesday, and then I keep going. Wednesday. And if I was wanting to link something that was not a page, then I would open up whichever topic I was linking. But these are all pages. And then Friday. So now I'm finished linking, and I just scroll down and I want to save. And then the last thing I have to do is, and there's a couple places you can do this, but over here at the 3 dots, I'm going to use this as my front page, aka a home page. And then I can check it by going home, And this is what the students will see when they open it up for this coming week. And you can see when we click on Monday, the students can see exactly what we're doing that day with all the available resources. Very easy to link. We can go back to the home page. When they are doing forecasting, they can see that they're having a quiz Tuesday, and then the test is Thursday and Friday, so they can prepare for that. And again, very easy and for the students to use and see what they have for the week. I hope this helps.